Hello and welcome to Ask Kochie, where we answer a video question sent in from one of our viewers. Today we have a question from Bernadatte. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Bernadatte Hardy from Interior and Product Design Studio Bellwood Hardy. We focus on interiors that are both commercial and residential, and also furniture and lighting products that suit both applications, commercial and residential. My question is relating to insurances for interior design services. Do we need insurance? How much does it cost? Is it commercially viable? And does it depend on the scale of the job?
Thanks for sending that in, Bernadatte. Insurance. You never need it until you've got to make a claim. It is a great question. To help me answer it, I have Robert Kelly, the Chief Executive of Steadfast, with 45 years of experience in the insurance industry. Robert, you don't look that old.
Thank you, David. I appreciate that.
Great question from Bernadatte. Does her business need insurance?
If she's got a strong balance sheet, she doesn't need insurance. But my experience over quite a few years is that small to medium enterprise clients don't have good balance sheets. So when they've got risk exposure for their material assets and their liabilities, they need insurance. And a small business like that has very complex ways it goes about doing its business and various covers that they need. So for a small amount of money, they can transfer that risk to an insurer and go home and sleep at night and take the responsibilities away from should we or shouldn't we. So in reality, it desperately needs it.
Yeah, and insurance is one of those line items, isn't it, that as a small business owner and say you've got cash flow problems, you look at it and go, oh, insurance, do we need that? But when something happens to your business, it can actually send you broke if you don't have it.
Look, the problem is that small to medium enterprise business is always struggling for cash.
Yeah.
Okay, and so sometimes they slip up and they do not put the money into insurance that they should, and then they hit a wall with a problem and there's nobody there to save them with that problem. Yeah. So nowadays you can amortise the cost of insurance over 12 months, and really in the scope of what people are doing, it's a very small percentage of their outlay. For a small business like Bernadette's, it would be in the scope of what you would spend nowhere near the cost of running a car or anything like that. So right. It's a great way to get the risk off you and to put it onto a strong balance sheet.
OK, so Robert, why would Bernadatte need an insurance broker, say, rather than buy it online, as we're encouraged to do with our personal insurance? I suppose businesses are a bit more complex, aren't they?
Yes, buying online, it puts you in the position of deciding whether the product that you're going to get is suitable for you. Choosing to have an insurance broker act for you means that they look at what your problems are in your business, your exposures, and they tailor-make a policy for you that will respond at the time of a claim. The added advantage of that, of course, is that at the time of a claim, they become your claim advocate. So if you're a small business owner and you have a claim and you go back onto .com, cheapest insurance in the world, whatever it might be, then if you're going to take the time off your business to actually try and work through whether the claim should or shouldn't be paid, then at the end of that day, you may be frustrated and not have got anywhere. So like any position, you need to have an expert helping you when it's complex in business.
Robert, thank you for that. Great advice. Bernadatte, I'm sure that helped. Let us know how you go. And for everyone else, I'll see you next time.